Hello everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are viewers. Today, I would like to say something about silence. Wetin I wan talk about silence be say some parents dey when they see their child dey do the wrong thing, dem no go wan talk because dem dey do the same thing too. Dem no go wan stop their child say no do this thing no dey good because dem dey do the wrong thing. How you wey you dey commit dey do wrong thing, you know say the thing no good, how you think say you go fit stop your child or fit stop anybody when dey do the thing, just the same thing when you dey do? You no ever fit stop that person. And which advice you wan give that person now make e no do the thing? Which good advice you get to give that person when you yourself know say bad, you know say bad na bad and you dey do am? You no fit tell person when you dey do bad say do good thing. That thing na wetin you no go fit do, or wetin you no go fit tell person, or you no go fit advise person because you full all wetin you dey do na wrong thing. Okay, like now, this woman, e see say im daughter dey go around dey flirt, dey go from Mr. A to Mr. B, from Mr. B to Mr. C. She no fit talk. That way na im take bring im daughter up. So how she wan take correct im daughter now? When im daughter dey jump from B to C, from C to Z, she no fit give her daughter, even if you wan talk or say anything, im daughter go tell am say you bring am up this way, im grow up to see this way with you. So how she feel now? She no go fit, and she no go fit stop her daughter from this thing. Okay, now im daughter come dey friend one teacher from her school. This teacher wey she dey friend, this teacher na married man, but e no fit stop im daughter, say make im daughter stop. So to the extent, the teacher come call the daughter one day say, look, he no fit continue with you again because im feel say im dey cheat on im wife, and now im no wan continue this thing with her again, say because she dey too young for her. That is, this girl now, this small girl now, dey too young for am to dey go out with. Say im like somebody advanced person wey im go dey pull out with. So this girl no gree. Who this girl run to give am advice, to give am good advice to get back this man? Na im own mother, wey she get friends around. This very girl get friends. I feel say sometimes, though e dey good make you dey close to your children, but this kind rough life, this kind rough situation, when you supposed to discuss this kind thing, I feel say na your friend or your friends, you go tell us say, see wetin this man dey do me, or see how the man wan stop with me, how I go take gain this man back, how I go take continue with this man, how I go take win this man love back again. Na friend you supposed to, na you go beat, or when you go give you this advice. But this girl run back to her mother to tell her mother say, see, this man wan leave am, this man wan cut from am. You see the advice, you see the life wey the mother dey bring, or dey take train im daughter. This thing na surprising thing. You see the life. So now the mother dey advise am, say now see how she go do. How if this girl grow, this thing no go stop like this. Mama don give pikin this advice. When this girl go get her own, e go give to im own child too. So the thing dey go now from generation now. Na so the story dey go now. They go from this, they go from that, they go like this, and na so e go dey go, e no go stop. So I feel say the problem na this woman, this girl mother, na get this big problem. The woman no dey good for head. No good mother go ever go ever advise im child or children make e dey go wrong like this. That if you dey wan try make your own daughter separate this man from im wife. If your daughter come marry this man now and somebody else come from outside now to take this man from your daughter, how you go feel? You wey dey give your daughter bad advice, how you go feel? This one, this story not good like this. The world dey change now. Wey be say some mothers or some parents no dey fit advise their children. They give them bad advice. Just with the name of which name or which class I will put this word now. Because this one not love. This one na madness. I dey sorry to say, but na madness I call this. To educate your child with this way. To go after C, from C to B, from B to Z. When your daughter dey go from this to that, from that to that. And which thing she wan bring come back now? Which reward? So many mothers or many parents, when e be say dem dey just dey say single mother, but not all single mother dey create their children this way. Not all. Only few, and that is 1%. Out of 9, out of 10, I'm sorry to say, out of 10, na only 1% go bring up their child or their children this way. Not all. All the single mothers, not all. So they, when they alone with their, they bring up their child just alone. You go see how they go educate their pikin or their children. You go see how they go educate them. When they stand like this, it go be like say the children or the child, they, na both parents bring them up. But the 1%, now once you go know, even if they come for public now, the way they go dey talk, the way they go dey express something, you go know say, this one na lost child. Even if person not, even that speech wey go come out for their mouth, you go know say this one na lost child. Because you no go know how to address person, you no go even know how to, the only thing, e go dey aggressive. Just like the way a mother take or the parents they bring am up. So sometimes it's good when you see your child, they go the wrong way. Try to stop. Try to stop am. Bring am up. You know, not feel say you dey alone just because you be single mother. You know if you bring your, no, not do that. Bring am up. Make she get the feelings of both parents. Make get feelings of father and mother. Bring your child up that way. Like me now, I no go like make my children go close to somebody like that, because I will get that fear inside me. I will get that fear, say he want destroy. Somebody wey no wan settle down, when they go from C to B, from B to Z, from Z to... I can never allow my children to go close to people like that. Never. Not say, if you want things they go on, but try to see the other side. Not only black side you go to see. Try look for white side to see. Because not be black, not good. That color black, not good. So try to look for the white side. Try to look for good side and to educate your child. So viewers, thank you for watching and thank you to listen to my video. If na the first time you dey listen to my video, just give me like and subscribe me. So thanks for watching and share my video to who never listen or who never hear about my video. Just share my video to them. Thanks and have a blessed day.